Welcome back. We've already used the write mode, W, but it's crucial to fully understand its power and its potential dangers before moving on to other modes. This section reinforces the concept of writing to a file and emphasizes the destructive nature of the W mode. 1. The purpose of W mode. The W mode is used when you want to start a file from a blank slate. Its behavior is simple. It opens the specified file and places the file cursor at the very beginning. If the file does not exist, it is automatically created. If it does exist, it is truncated, meaning its entire content is deleted, ready for the new data. 2. Example, file truncation. Let's see the truncation in action. If log.txt already has content, opening it in W mode instantly wipes out that data. When we call write, the new text is placed at the start of the now empty file. This behavior makes W mode suitable for tasks like saving configuration files or generating fresh reports. 3. The write parenthesis method return value. As a quick review, remember that the write method returns an integer representing the number of characters, or bytes, that were successfully written to the file. This can be useful for debugging and tracking data volume, but for the most part, you can safely ignore the return value and rely on the operation completing successfully within the with block. To summarize, use W mode with caution. Now, what if you want to keep the old data and just add new data to the end? That is the job of the append mode, which we will learn next. We will explore the mode and confirm that it adds new data to the end of the file without erasing the original content. Join me in lecture 23.10. Append. See you there.